Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best laptop for 3D printing you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. With so many alternatives available, it can be difficult to choose the best laptop for 3D printing in 2023. By providing insights into crucial standards, portability concerns, and budgetary issues, this guide seeks to streamline the process. This thorough investigation will help you make an informed decision, regardless of your level of experience with 3D printing, young or old. After reading this article, you should have all the information you need to choose the best laptop for your 3D printing requirements. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best laptop for 3D printing. Let's begin. At number 5 is Dell XPS 139310. In 2023, the Dell XPS 139310 is a unique laptop among its smaller counterparts. Its Intel i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM allow it to perform impressively despite its lightweight and compact design. As a result, it can be used for a variety of jobs, including design work, gaming, and streaming. With 500 nits of brightness on its 13.4-inch display, it is exceptionally bright and guarantees that every detail is seen clearly. This laptop meets the needs of both home-based productivity seekers and travelers in need of a portable companion. Its mobility, strong hardware, and excellent display make it a flexible option for people searching for a small yet capable laptop in 2023. At number 4 is Acer Predator Helios 300. High-end gaming laptops like the Acer Predator Helios are well known for their powerful performance. The device is equipped with a 4.60 GHz Core i7 processor and an RTX 3060 graphics card, which makes it highly appropriate for smooth 3D design software. With a 15.6-inch Full HD display, it offers a very responsive screen that guarantees fluid gaming experiences thanks to its quick 3-millisecond response time and remarkable 144 Hz refresh rate. The laptop comes with 512 GB of SSD storage, and if you need additional capacity, you can expand it. The Acer Predator Helios is a great option for enthusiasts who enjoy 3D printing and modeling since it strikes a great mix between price and performance. At number 3 is HP Pavilion 15. Being a very well-made laptop at a reasonable price, the HP Pavilion 15 laptop stands out. Its powerful specs, which include an 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, Intel Iris Xe graphics, and 16 GB of RAM, make it suitable for running 3D applications like Blender and AutoCAD. This model stands out thanks to its spacious 512 GB NVMe SSD storage, which provides practical room for demanding data storage requirements. Furthermore, the Full HD screen's 178-degree viewing angles give a unique and engaging design experience that goes above and beyond what is often offered at this price point. For those looking for a premium laptop under $1,000, the HP Pavilion 15 comes into clear. It is a great choice for a variety of users due to its strong performance characteristics, sufficient storage, and attractive display. At number 2 is Razer Blade 14. The Razer Blade 14 is the pinnacle of power, performance, and accuracy all combined into one gadget. With 16 GB of RAM, an AMD Ryzen 9 processor, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics, this laptop is a real powerhouse that will provide smooth performance even with the most demanding 3D design software. Its extraordinary display, which has a 14-inch QHD panel, a refresh rate of 165 Hz, and 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, is what really makes it stand out. Apart from its remarkable attributes, the Razer Blade 14 also has a longer battery life and effective vapor chamber cooling, which guarantee top performance even during protracted rendering sessions. The package is completed with THX spatial audio, which provides customers with an immersive soundscape for their projects. Now moving to the last one is ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo 15. One of the best Windows laptops for 3D printing, according to critics, is the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED. With a selection of 16 GB or 32 GB of RAM, it stands out thanks to a host of remarkable features. It is noteworthy for having an OLED 4K matte touchscreen and a secondary display, which give customers more workspace and improved multitasking abilities. It distinguishes itself from the competition with its creative design. Its strong requirements also allow 3D printing programs like AutoCAD, Rhino, and Fusion 360 to run smoothly, which makes it a great option for designers. The ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED has received positive feedback from customers and critics for its remarkable ability to combine great performance in a stylish packaging. So guys, this was the video about the best laptop for 3D printing. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.